You can get rid of hiccups easily if you understand how we get them. So, let's first understand what causes hiccups. A hiccup occurs when your normal breathing process gets disrupted due to wrong movement or involuntary contractions of your diaphragm. This involuntary contraction causes your vocal cords to close very briefly, which produces the characteristic sound of a hiccup. Diaphragm that separates your chest from your abdomen plays an important role in breathing. So, whenever a hiccup occurs, we need to fix the diaphragm muscle movement to get rid of it. This means, it will be easy to stop hiccups by correcting breathing and posture. There are dozens of ways to correct breathing to get rid of hiccups fast. All these methods involve changing breathing and posture to relax diaphragm muscles. Once diaphragm relaxes, normal breathing begins and hiccups stop. We will discuss 3 best ways to stop hiccups instantly at home. Home Remedy 1. Hold your breath. Holding your breath a bit longer than normal helps to relax diaphragm. Hold your breath for 15 seconds and breath in and out slowly. Repeat this action 3 to 4 times. It is believed that carbon dioxide relaxes the diaphragm and stops hiccups fast. Home Remedy 2. Drink a glass of water quickly. Drinking a glass of water quickly is one of the fastest ways to get rid of hiccups. This brings back the normal rhythm of breathing and hiccups stop. Home Remedy 3. Bring the knees to the chest. Sit down, hold both your knees and bring them close to your chest. Keep them close to the chest for 2 minutes. This change in posture relaxes diaphragm to stop hiccups instantly. One of these methods should help you to get rid of your hiccups. Most hiccups are temporary disruption of normal breathing. With the help of these remedies, they stop immediately in most cases. Sometimes, these episodes may reappear during the next couple of days. Nothing to worry. Just use these remedies to get relief. But, if your hiccups are persistent and continue for a week or so, then you must visit a doctor. You may require proper medication depending on the underlying cause of these sustained hiccups. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.